Hello everyone, Sean here at Select Performance. Today I want to share with you our 2017 Audi A5 Sportback S-Line. Let's take a look. It's 2017 on a 67. It's got the gloss black grille surround. So the gloss black front splitter, xenon headlights, front parking sensors. It's absolutely stunning. It's got the black 20-inch alloys. They've just been refurbished in gloss black. Dechromed on the window surrounds. No dents, damage. Absolutely stunning car. It's got the gloss black lip spoiler, rear parking sensors. The black on black combo looks awesome on this, and the wheels look incredible. Moving on inside. Electric adjustable seats. The S-Line seal protectors, nav, leather armrest, S-Line seats, half leather, half Alcantara. They are heated. Privacy glass on the rear. Loads of leg room. Into the boot. Electric boot. Loads of space in there, huge boot. And into the driver's side. Pillarless doors look awesome. So electric boot on the front there. Electric seats with a lumbar support. Screen for navigation, Bluetooth, cruise control. So the leather steering wheel. What a good looking car. Thanks a lot for watching.